the land of horrible people. Far away in a forgotten corner of the world lay a strange land called Horrid Hollow. It was a desolate place where kindness, honesty, and warmth were forbidden. The people of this land, known as the Horribles, were infamous for their cruelty and greed. Their hearts were as cold as the grey skies above their withered fields, and their faces twisted into permanent scowls. The Horribles thrived on making others miserable. Children learned to lie before they could walk, and their games revolved around outsmarting and humiliating one another. The adults took pride in cheating, gossiping, and plotting schemes to steal from their neighbors. No one helped the elderly, and strangers who wandered into Horrid Hollow quickly regretted their mistake. At the heart of this grim land stood a crumbling palace, home to King Grunge, the worst of them all. His cruelty knew no bounds. Every morning, he summoned his advisors and demanded new ways to make life unbearable for his people. One day, he decreed that every family must pay him their best belongings or face exile to the Cave of Eternal Night, a place so terrifying even the Horribles whispered about it with fear. In a small, tattered house at the edge of the hollow lived a girl named Mira. Mira was unlike the others. Though she pretended to be as mean-spirited as the rest, she secretly helped anyone she could. She fixed broken toys for children, left food for the elderly, and even whispered kind words to animals. Mira knew she had to keep her goodness hidden, for kindness was punishable by banishment. One day, a golden bird flew into Horrid Hollow, its feathers gleaming like the sun. The bird's song was so beautiful that even the Horribles paused to listen. King Grunge, however, saw only an opportunity to possess the bird's beauty for himself. He commanded his soldiers to capture it and place it in a cage made of iron spikes. When Mira saw the caged bird, her heart ached. She knew she couldn't leave it to suffer. That night, she sneaked into the palace, her small lantern flickering in the dark. She reached the cage and whispered, "Don't be afraid, I'll set you free." As soon as she opened the cage, the bird transformed into a radiant figure, a guardian of goodness. The guardian smiled and said, "Mira, your courage and kindness have broken the curse of Horrid Hollow. For centuries, this land has been trapped in misery, but your pure heart has brought hope." A brilliant light engulfed the land, washing away its darkness. The twisted scowls of the Horribles softened into smiles. The fields bloomed with vibrant colors, and the once grey skies turned azure blue. Horrid Hollow was no more, it became the land of harmony. Mira became a symbol of hope, teaching the people that kindness was far more powerful than cruelty. The former Horribles learned to share, care, and create a community where goodness thrived. And so, the land once known for its horrors became a heaven of joy, all thanks to one brave girl who refused to let her heart grow cold.